G'day, here's a small parcel of rubs and offcuts from central Queensland Boulder Opal fields. Rules in millimetres, material's been wetted. White, as you can see, there's a reflection of the lights. Pity that's been drilled, but I'd cut that off through there and make that back into a stone. Personally, bit of potch. Piece like this, just cut it as I just described there. Oops, sorry, off the screen. Just cut it into an oval. A bit of potch, bit of green flash going across the face there. It's concave. The black's been a marker. This is quite a nice piece. Nice matrix piece. Little stone there in the middle. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.